Today we learned some Japanese phrases for beginner. Part 1. Konnichiwa, hello. Konnichiwa, hello. Arigato, thank you. Arigato, thank you. Hi, yes. Hi, yes. Iie, no. Iie, no. Sumimasen, sorry, excuse me. Sumimasen, sorry, excuse me. Ohayo, good morning. Ohayo, good morning. Konbanwa, good evening. Konbanwa, good evening. Sayonara na goodbye. Sayonara na goodbye. Onegaishimasu, please. Onegaishimasu, please. Wakarimasen, I don't understand. Wakarimasen, I don't understand. Wakarimashita, I understand. Wakarimashita, I understand. Ikura, how much? Ikura, how much? Kore, this. Sort that. Namae, nam. Namae, nam. Hi, yes. Hi, yes. Iie, no. Iie, no. Daijoubu? Okay, alright. Daijoubu? Okay, alright. Daim, no good, not allowed. Daim, no good, not allowed. Suki, like. Suki, like. Kirai, dislike. Kirai, dislike. Taberu, eat. Taberu, eat. Nomu, drink. Nomu, drink. Iku, go. Iku, go. Kuru, kame. Kuru, kame. Miru, see, watch. Miru, see, watch. Kiku, listen, ask. Kiku, listen, ask. Hanasu, speak. Hanasu, speak. Tomodachi, friend. Tomodachi, friend. Sensei, teacher. Sensei, teacher. Gakusei, student. Gakusei, student. Mizu, water. Mizu, water. Gohan, rice, meal. Gohan, rice, meal. Marie, home dollhouse. Marie, home dollhouse. Mizu, shop. Mizu, shop.